It's not Star Trek. It's not Star Wars. That's not how, quite commonly, interdimensional connection works. Interdimensional connection works through the idea of, again, being at one particular point and then being at another in specific point instantaneously. That's common. There are others in that sense that also work with wormhole technology. That there have been, for many millions and millions of years, wormholes, quite commonly. The idea of shortening two distances together. Just as if I was to fold a paper in half and take a pencil and pierce both sides of that paper. This is another common way that spacecraft moves from one point of space to another. They simply shorten the distance. So you could say that one materializes, dematerializes, and materializes again at a certain point, quite common to what you would know as teleportation. The other way is thinning the distance between 2 points. These two ways would be the most common connection in this way. So as these beings do connect in this way from one point to another, they are able to go anywhere they wish. But there needs to be a familiarity to where they connect to where they transport, or to where they may end up through a wormhole connector. So wormhole connectors exist far beyond the idea of the surface of space. They exist much more in the median of space. It is like a funnel. And these funnels themselves can be created through the nature of thought, where you are able to go deeper past the substratum of, as you would say, interstellar space, moving much more into a quantum level, where you would be able to manipulate, should you have the means to do so, manipulate the fabrics of space-time and time-space back into space-time again, and these funnels themselves would be manifest. And utilizing these ancient gateway, or again, wormhole systems, thinning the space between two locations, two properties. When you start to become a galactic civilization within the decades ahead, your scientists will know how this is done. It will actually become quite common knowledge, because you will start to develop teleportation technology or Stargate portal technology as well too. In fact, it's already been developed. It just needs to be unveiled to the public, and that will happen at the appropriate time. When that is becoming unveiled, scientists will now admit, yes, we have the ability to travel from our system to another star system that could be 10,000 light years away, but because we have the astronomical data through our telescopes relating to that particular star system, we could transport ourselves there. That can certainly be a possibility, though that will not be possible for many decades to come still. Because what much of the off-worlders are going to be doing is they are going to be mentoring the human civilization in the times ahead. You will have your cosmic ancestors, you will have your off-world star family working together with planet Earth at the convenient time that is appropriate. Not right away, but again, you're just slowly starting to open up. It's like planting a seed in the ground, watering and nurturing and taking care of that seed, and then at some particular point, it buds and it will blossom.